Space, the final frontier, a canvas of darkness sprinkled with the brilliance of a billion stars. Orbiting Earth, amidst this cosmic ballet, is a shining testament to human ingenuity, the International Space Station. The ISS is a marvel of engineering, a symbol of international cooperation, and a beacon of continuous human presence in space. It's the largest human-made structure ever put into orbit, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. For over 2 decades, the ISS has been a constant presence in our skies, a symbol of humanity's reach for the stars. It serves as a unique laboratory for scientific research, advancing our understanding of space, Earth, and ourselves. But the ISS is more than just a technological marvel. It represents the culmination of decades of planning, cooperation, and innovation from nations around the globe. The International Space Station is a truly global endeavor. Its story begins during a time of political rivalry, the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a space race, each striving to achieve supremacy beyond Earth. However, as the Cold War thawed, a spirit of collaboration emerged. The US and Russia, once rivals, joined forces. They recognized the potential for a shared space station, a platform for scientific discovery, and a symbol of international cooperation. Other nations joined the partnership, contributing their own expertise and resources. The European Space Agency, Japan, Canada, and others pooled their knowledge to make the ISS a reality. This international collaboration transcended political differences, demonstrating the power of shared goals and the potential for humanity to work together for the betterment of all. Constructing the International Space Station was an unprecedented feat of engineering. Imagine assembling a complex machine, not on Earth, but hundreds of miles above it, in the vacuum of space. The ISS wasn't built all at once. It was assembled piece by piece, module by module. Each component was carefully designed and built on Earth, then launched into space. Astronauts, working in the challenging conditions of space, carefully connected each module. They used robotic arms and conducted spacewalks to assemble the station piece by piece. Over the course of numerous missions and spacewalks, the ISS gradually took shape, a testament to meticulous planning and the bravery and skill of astronauts from around the world. Life aboard the ISS is possible thanks to a complex web of interconnected systems. These technologies provide essential life support, generate power, and enable communication with Earth. The station's power comes primarily from massive solar arrays, which convert sunlight into electricity. This electricity powers all systems, from life support to scientific experiments. A sophisticated water recycling system turns wastewater into clean drinking water, conserving precious resources. Communication with Mission Control is constant, thanks to a network of satellites and ground stations. This allows for real-time monitoring of the station's systems and the crew's health. The technology on board the ISS represents the cutting edge of human ingenuity. It's a testament to our ability to create a habitable environment in one of the most hostile environments known to humankind. For over 2 decades, the International Space Station has been a continuous human presence in space. This remarkable achievement has yielded invaluable scientific knowledge and technological advancements. Experiments conducted on the ISS have provided insights into a wide range of fields, including biology, physics, and materials science. We've learned about the effects of microgravity on the human body, cultivated plants in space, and made strides in understanding our universe. Moreover, the technologies developed for the ISS have found applications here on Earth, from water purification systems to medical imaging techniques. The ISS has served as a stepping stone, paving the way for future human exploration beyond low Earth orbit. It's a symbol of what we can accomplish when we push the boundaries of human ingenuity. As we look to the future of space exploration, the International Space Station will continue to play a pivotal role. It will serve as a platform for testing new technologies and conducting research that will enable us to venture further into the cosmos. The lessons learned from the ISS, both in terms of international collaboration and technological advancement, will be invaluable as we strive to establish a permanent human presence on the Moon and, eventually, Mars. The International Space Station stands as a testament to the power of human collaboration and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It serves as a shining beacon of hope, reminding us of what we can achieve when we work together to reach for the stars.